In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Reddit. Now, it's important to note from the start that Reddit doesn't allow users to change their usernames at will, like some other platforms do. This is because Reddit usernames are unique identifiers, so the ability to change them would undermine user credibility and interaction history. However, there's a workaround if you're not satisfied with your current username or if you're new to the platform and looking to make a change. First, if you haven't signed up yet or are willing to create a new account, you're in the right place. Go ahead and log into Reddit and head to the home page. If you're new, you'll need to sign up. And for those with an existing account who don't mind losing their Reddit history, signing up for a new account is the way to go. Just click Sign Up and follow the platform's instructions to create a new account. Now, once you're logged in or have set up your new account, it's time to pick the perfect username, as you'll be stuck with it. Think about what represents you or the kind of discussions you wish to engage in, as a catchy, unique username can make your Reddit experience much more enjoyable. The username needs to adhere to Reddit's guidelines, where offensive or inappropriate usernames are a no-go. You might want to jot down a few ideas and check availability because the username has to be unique. When it's time to enter your chosen username during setup, remember Reddit doesn't allow special characters outside of dashes and underscores, so plan accordingly. After typing in your new username, ensure you're happy with it, because once you complete your registration or change, there won't be a chance to alter it without creating another new account. For existing accounts wishing to change their username and who don't want to open a new account, you may consider changing your display name instead. While this won't change your username, it alters the name others see, providing a fresh online identity. To do this, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner, then hit User Settings. From there, find the Profile tab on the left side, and you can adjust your display name to whatever you feel suits your profile. This can be updated anytime, so it's a flexible way to modify your presence without a new account. Once all those steps are complete, remember, embracing your new online identity means interacting within Reddit's guidelines, engaging respectfully, and building your karma. Testing your new username or display name out can involve commenting or posting within communities, seeing what resonates with others, and enjoying a fresh interaction perspective. And there you go, a fresh start with Reddit, simply and efficiently. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out more content for tips like these. Thanks for watching.